Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to replace cabin air filter in your 2016 Mercedez Benz GLC 300. And this one is a carbon cabin air filter. This one will help minimize the mildew smell inside your car. Alright, first thing first, you gotta move that seat all the way to the back so you have more room while you're working. Now, if you have an OEM floor mat like this one, go ahead and just pop it off and remove it. Now, there's a screw right there. It uses a T20. Go ahead and remove that. And you go ahead just pop that plastic loose because only one screw that was holding on to it. Alright? Now you need to disconnect the light connector, and what you do is press the tab down and pull it out. You see where my thumb is? That is the tab right there. You just press it down and pull it out. You go ahead and pull the plastic piece down just a little bit right there, and then you will see one wire that's connected to the temp sensor. It's gonna be one of those long sensor. Alright? What you do, just go ahead, twist it clockwise and just pull it out. What you need to do is just move that wire somewhere, hide it underneath there, but don't damage that sensor, alright? And then just pull that plastic piece down. Do you see that plastic piece right there? Go ahead and slide to the right and then pull it down. Go ahead and pull the filter out. You might want to push the carpet in just a little bit so you can have a little bit of clearance, and just pull the filter down. Now, don't be afraid, just take your time. It might get stuck here and there, but just work your way out. Just try a little bit at a time, but don't yank it out because you might break something. All right, you can see right there that was struggling for a little bit because it was hitting the carpet. So just take your time and just pull it out a little bit at a time. So you see that little cutout right there? Whatever you take out, go ahead and put the new one in the same way that you take out. Alright? Now, reinstall the new air filter. Remember there's a cutout onto the right there. So just slide it in the same way that you taking the old filter out. You might have to struggle a little bit, try to reinstall the new filter. So it's okay if you bend the filter and smush the filter in, but as long as you can get it in, it's okay because that's what the filter made for, to be flexible. It's time to put the cover back on, and you can see right there, once you put it on, go ahead and slide that little plastic piece to the left. You need to make sure the cover is in its place, flush with the housing, and then slide the lock to the left to lock it down. See right there on my left hand, see how I slide left and right? If you slide to the right, that's unlocked, and when you slide to the left, it'll lock. Now it's time to put the bottom cover back on. You see that sensor right there? Go ahead and put it back. Just be careful. Don't bend it. Don't scratch it. That's one of the inside cabin temp sensor, I believe. So just put it in and twist to the right to lock it down. Now you slide the top piece up first. Try to get it in and just work your way in. Just be careful because the The cover is plastic, so don't break anything. Just do what I did, alright? Don't forget to connect that connector right there for the light. Just slide it in. Remember the clip? Go ahead and pop it back in. You need to put the screw back on there. Remember, it's a T20. So just put it in. Don't over tighten it, okay? Because it's plastic. I mean, not the screw is plastic, but the cover is plastic, so don't break it. Just hand tighten it and just slightly torque it down. Not too much. That's it. You're done. See how easy that one is? Pretty simple with just a couple of simple tools. And then, you get to save a lot of money on that. And if you take your car to the dealership, you're probably gonna walk out with at least $150 bill just to replace a cabin air filter. And the filter only costs you 10-20 bucks. That's it. Now put the floor mat back on, and then you just snap those two buttons in. Move the seat back up, and then you're done. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.